Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is quarter to. Quarter to. Quarter to. Quarter to is an expression we use when we're talking about time. Quarter refers to 1 hour and a quarter of an hour, which is 15 minutes. Quarter to means 15 minutes until. Here's an example. 8:45 is the same as quarter to 9. 8:45 is the same as quarter to 9. 8:45 is the same as quarter to 9. Half past. Half past. Half past. Half past is another time expression. Half past is used when we talk about something that is 30 minutes after the top of the hour. So here's an example of this. 9:30 is the same as half past 9. 9:30 is the same as half past 9. 9:30 is the same as half past 9. Rug. 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 A rug is a very common and somewhat popular way to decorate your house. A rug is a piece of fabric, usually thick, that goes on the floor. It might be very bright colored. It may be a very neutral color. People have many different styles of rugs depending on their home and depending on their personal style. Here's an example. This rug is 3 meters by 5 meters. This rug is 3 meters by 5 meters. This rug is 3 meters by 5 meters. Quarter after. Quarter after. Quarter after. Quarter after is also used to talk about time. Just as with quarter to, quarter refers to 15 minutes, but we use after to talk about something that comes after the top of an hour. Here's an example. Quarter after 2. Quarter after 2. Quarter after 2. Purple. 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 Purple is one of the colors. Purple is a mixture between red and blue. Here's an example sentence. The amethyst stone is light purple. The amethyst stone is light purple. The amethyst stone is light purple. Fear. 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 To fear, a verb, refers to being afraid of something. So when we fear something else, we are afraid of that thing. Here's an example sentence. Vampires fear the sun. Vampires fear the sun. Vampires fear the sun. Resemble. 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 To resemble means to look like something else, or perhaps to sound like something else, or to feel like something else. When something resembles something else, they share characteristics in some way. Here's an example. They resemble each other. They resemble each other. They resemble each other. Respect. 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 Respect refers to having consideration for another person, often looking up to them. We can also use respect for things like rules and laws. Here's an example sentence. The boy respects his grandfather. The boy respects his grandfather. The boy respects his grandfather. Thank. 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 To thank means to express appreciation to someone or to express appreciation for something. When we thank someone, we say the expression thank you or other words of appreciation. Here's an example. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Love. 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 To love is used to express our highest form of appreciation for something. We usually use the word love when we talk about people who are very, very close in our lives, like our family members and our partners and our very close friends. We can also use it to talk about our favorite things to do. Here's an example sentence. I love my wife and family. I love my wife and family. I love my wife and family. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the word that means 15 minutes until something else? Quarter to. Quarter to. And how to say the expression that refers to 30 minutes after the top of an hour. Half past. Half past. What about the word for the decorative fabric that we put on the floor? Rug. Rug. Do you remember how to say the expression that means 15 minutes after something? Quarter after. Quarter after. Let's try the color that's a mix between blue and red. Purple. Purple. What about the verb that means to be afraid of something? Fear. Fear. Now, let's see if you remember the verb that means to have the same or similar characteristics as something else. Resemble. Resemble. Another one. What about the word that means to have admiration or to have consideration for another person? Respect. Respect. Do you remember how to say the verb that means to express your appreciation for someone? Thank. Thank. And finally, do you remember how to say the verb that means the highest level of appreciation you can have for someone, usually your family or your partner? Love. Love. Well done. See you next time. Bye.